How to fix filter video call not working on Facebook Messenger app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how can you fix filter video call not working on Facebook. If your video call filter aren't working on Facebook Messenger, then you could try the steps. Now first of all, go to open up the Messenger application. So now when you actually go ahead and make a call, then you could see at the bottom of the page there is this filter after the person has actually received it. So after that, you could see there is this filter icon. If you go ahead and press on that, you could actually go ahead and use the filter while doing a video call. But however, if you're unable to use it, so then there might be some temporary glitches that might be causing this issue. So what you need to do is, in order to fix it, so first of all, you could always go ahead and check your internet connection. Now poor connectivity or unstable connection can cause this sort of issue. So you could go to the settings and check whether you're connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi or not. If you're connected to such internet, then you could also try restarting your router so that you could get a connectivity, and after which you could also go ahead and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. Sometimes outdated version can cause such issues. So go to the Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Messenger, and you could see whether the app needs to be updated or not. After you're done updating your application, then you could also go ahead and clear apps cache. So for that, you want to go ahead and long press the Messenger application, go to this I button. Then what next you want to do is you just have to go ahead and click on storage and cache. Once you go to this page, you want to click on clear cache, and if you click on clear storage, then you might lose your information or data. So if you're sure about it, only then do this method. Now likewise, after which what you could also do is make sure to go ahead and reinstall the Messenger application. At the same time, restart your device. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. These are some of the ways to fix video call not working. Now likewise, it also highly depends on the device compatibility, which means that likewise the older devices might not support all these filter effects. So that's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.